For decades, video game stories were meticulously crafted by teams of writers, much like novels or films. Every plot point, line of dialogue, and branching path was planned in advance, resulting in iconic, fixed narratives. No matter how many times you played, the story's core remained unchanged. Everyone experienced the same twists, the same memorable lines, and the same emotional moments. Choices, if offered, were limited to a handful of pre-written branches, giving only the illusion of freedom. The process was labor-intensive, with writers scripting every possible scenario and anticipating player behavior. This approach produced masterpieces, but once you'd explored all the branches, the magic of discovery faded. The world felt alive, but only within the boundaries set by its creators. If you wanted to ask a character something unscripted, you'd hit a wall. A generic response, breaking immersion. The emotional depth and narrative complexity were a direct result of human vision and control, but the trade-off was replayability. Surprises vanished after the first playthrough. The line between storyteller and player was clear, until now. A revolutionary new technology is about to blur that line forever. The rise of AI, especially large language models, is transforming game storytelling. Instead of following a fixed script, AI now generates narrative content in real time, making each playthrough unique. The AI acts as a dynamic dungeon master, responding to your actions and words in ways never before possible. You can ask any question, pursue any topic, and the AI will generate a fitting response on the fly. It can create quests, lore, and dialogue tailored to your choices, evolving the world around you. Betray a faction, and the AI invents new consequences. Explore ruins, and it generates fresh lore. The story becomes a living, adaptive system, no longer static, but shaped by you. The dungeon master is no longer human, it's a ghost in the machine. For players, AI storytelling means a truly personalized narrative. Your journey is unique, shaped by your choices and questions. The line between playing a story and living it blurs, creating deep immersion. Infinite replayability becomes possible. Each playthrough offers new allies, enemies, and quests, all generated organically. Dialogue is no longer limited. Ask anything, investigate mysteries, and interact with the world as you would in real life. Gameplay expands beyond combat, to include conversation, diplomacy, and creative problem-solving. The world responds and adapts, making every interaction meaningful. Players become co-creators, not just consumers, forging stories in partnership with AI. Relationships with characters feel genuine, born from unscripted interactions. The excitement comes from the unknown. Every decision can spark a new story. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. AI transforms games into collaborative storytelling platforms. Despite its promise, AI storytelling faces criticism. Can an algorithm truly write with soul? Human writers draw on real emotion and experience, crafting stories with depth and nuance. AI mimics structure, but risks producing generic or soulless content. Some games like Wildermyth blend procedural generation with handcrafted segments, preserving the human touch. Proponents see AI as a tool to augment writers, not replace them, freeing humans to focus on core narratives. The challenge is balance, using AI to enhance creativity without losing the emotional resonance only humans provide. The quest for truly moving, meaningful AI stories remains one of the technology's greatest hurdles. As of late 2025, AI-driven storytelling is reshaping the future of games. We're moving from static, authored narratives to living worlds that craft stories in real time, with players at the center. The future likely lies in hybrid approaches. Human writers build the world. AI fills in the details. This collaboration could deliver both emotional depth and infinite variety. But challenges remain, ensuring quality, coherence, and ethical use of AI in creative fields. These are not just technical but philosophical questions about the value of human artistry. Ultimately, AI forces us to ask what makes a story meaningful: structure, dialogue, or the human soul at its heart. The next chapter of gaming will be written by both humans and machines, promising more personal, unpredictable, and immersive stories than ever before.